We live in an interconnected world. Travel, trade, and communications happen at the touch of a button, creating vast, complex networks of activity. International trade is the lifeblood that keeps our world working. Every day, millions of products pass each other across the globe, each on their own complex journey. But with our goods traveling thousands of miles, how can we be sure where they are, or that they'll arrive intact, on time, and to the right destination? The answer is track and trace. Track and trace is a system of identifying goods wherever they are in the supply chain. It allows anyone from brand owners to consumers to identify the provenance of a product, from where it was made, along the supply chain, to where it's going. It can track the product's forward movement through the supply chain and, if it becomes lost, trace it back to its last known location. It works by applying unique, secure, and non-removable identification markings to the goods. These contain key product information, which is stored in secure databases, enabling anyone, such as customs officials and authorities, to check the product's authenticity at any point in the supply chain. This is important, for example, to both help counter the problem of illicit trade and meet international regulations. A key component of track and trace in many industries is aggregation. This is the relationship between the unique codes placed on each size of the package or container. All the codes are linked, allowing the product to be tracked and traced even if the packages become separated. And it's a relatively low-cost solution. The markings can be applied by common, inexpensive printing technology, which encourages higher levels of adoption and therefore wider coverage. Track and trace has been successfully employed by a number of industries, including software, timber, and pharmaceuticals, who are losing millions of dollars a year from illegal activity. These industries have taught us that effective track and trace systems should be based on common data exchange protocols, such as those provided by barcodes. These are also known as open standards. Barcodes are perhaps one of the most widely used examples of an internationally recognized identification system. Open standards are vital because they ensure interoperability across the world, no matter what the country or language. The reason our mobile phones work almost anywhere is because of globally agreed open standards. Track and trace is no different. Other key lessons from the agricultural and pharmaceutical industries have shown that any system must be internationally coordinated, as well as low cost and easy to adopt for all stakeholders. Governments should also encourage competition in the market by conducting open procurement and ensure that the systems are robust and flexible and facilitate a successful partnership between authorities and brand owners. Today, industries as diverse as tobacco, automotive, and timber are benefiting from increasingly sophisticated track and trace systems, and their success provides a roadmap for other industries to follow. If international trade is the lifeblood of our interconnected world, then it's vital that we do as much as we can to protect it.